Dear students, today we are going to discuss about big data and its importance. Previous topic we go discuss about big data and classification of data types. Already we go discuss about the structured data and unstructured data. Why we have studied this big data concept? We got to collect information, we got to store the information, we got to process information. Whatever process, we got to analyze the data. Okay, we got to analyze the data for what purpose? We can discuss in the upcoming slide. The type of data opened up new opportunities for the business world. What are the importance for the big data? We can collect information, we can analyze it, we can predict based on the data analysis. For example, comments on social media. You can give some commands. It may be positive command or negative command for particular scenario. Okay. Any rule may be proposed by the government of India or your any film may be uploaded in the social media. You can give some commands, you can give the reviews. Based on reviews, based on your commands, we can identify what's the status of the particular scenario. Okay, so commands on social media is one of the importance and the history of surfing around an online store for 47 million people, 47 plus million people uniquely monthly visitors. How they have calculated if you have account in the particular online e-shopping, we can identify how many times you have visited in the particular site based on your login, based on your IP address, we can identify. Okay. Sometimes when you're going to visit e-commerce site, you can click on it particular product. After that, it will recommend to you. Okay, it will be recommend to you. So we can monitor social media comments. We can monitor how many clicks, and how many people visit the particular site, e-commerce site. We can monitor and we can analyze the data. Okay, because in India, many people having online account in e-commerce site. Okay, they are purchasing some maximum product from e-commerce site. We can identify how many people visiting particular website and what are the product they are purchasing and what are the product ordered in the cart. Okay, based on the analysis, we can identify new business tasks such as sentimental analysis, recommendation engines, and a 360-degree customer view. You can take e-commerce site. When you're going to click the particular product, after half an hour, 1 hour, it will be recommended to you. Okay, it will give the offer and different type of model, same product. Okay, it will be delivered to you, which means you can visit any Gmail account or any other places based on your IP system, and it will be show it like advertisement based on your clicking and what are the product you searched in the or Google or e-commerce site. It will be delivered. It is a sentimental analysis. You are giving command in the social media. Okay, you can give the positive command and negative command. You can support to some people. You can opposite some people. It will be everything is accountable. It will be analysis. Okay, because you can give some commands. It is countable. We can give. We can we can identify what's your status and what's your sentiment. The recommendation engine already you know. Okay, when you're going to visit e-commerce site, it will be recommend a particular product, and a 360-degree view it will be tell your particular product related products. In a way, the big data companies are able to gain number of products based on the understanding of business, customers, and product and the competitors. Big data importance. The big data importance of does not revolve around how much data a company has, but how company utilizes the collected data. Every company uses data its own way. The more efficiently a company uses its data, the more potential it has to grow. The company can take data from any sources and analysis it to find answers which will enable cost savings, time reduction, understand the market condition, control online reputation, using big data analytics to boost customer acquisition and retention, using big data analytics to solve advertiser problem and offer for the insights. Big data analytics as a driver of innovation and product development. Okay, so this company can take from any source and analysis. You can say one by one. First one is cost saving. Some tool of big data like Hadoop and cloud-based analytics can bring cost advantages to business. Okay, if we have a large amount of data, we cannot analyze the data manually. We can use different type of tool for analysis purpose. It will be reduce the cost. We can get the result very easily. Time reduction. The high speed of tools like Hadoop and memory analytics can easily identify new sources of data. You can give a large amount of data. It will be calculated very easily, and it will be deliver the result with fast. Okay, so understand the market condition. By analyzing big data, you can get better understanding of the current market condition. Based on the analysis, we can identify, we can understand what are the product available, or what are the product need by the public. We can identify. Control online reputation. Big data can do sentiment analysis. We're not going to click the particular product. It will be it will be recommended to you based on your click, and you are searching the product. Then using the picture analytics to push a customer acquisition, picture allows business to observe various customer related to current trends. Using big data analytics to solve advertiser problem and offer marketing insight, big data analytics can help change all business operation, because many companies utilizing big data tool and analytics tool, it will be reduce the advertisement cost, because we can give the advertisement in the social medias. Okay, we can identify how many people like the particular advertisement in the social media, how many people dislike the particular product in the social media. And big data analytics is a driver of innovation and product development. Another huge advantage of big data is the ability to help companies innovate and redevelop their products. You can purchase particular product from e-commerce site. You can give some reviews. Okay, you get having 5 stars. Your product is good, quality is good, you can give 5 stars, and it is not product is not good, you can give a single star, and you can give the command. Based on the command, other people will purchase. Okay, other people will purchase is on reviews. Okay, how many people purchased this product, and what are the commands provided by the previous purchaser. Okay, we can understand, we can identify the reviews. Based on the reviews, we can purchase particular product. So that's why I'm mentioning another huge advantage of big data is the ability to help companies innovate and redevelop their products. Some people will give the drawback of the particular product. A company will capture the reviews and the comments if they can make and modify the particular product. Then best example of big data in the education industry. Customized and dynamic learning programs, reframing course material, grading system, career prediction. Very large university like our university having managing large amount of students and data. Okay, we can more than 14,000 students. We got to manage it. We can collect the information, profile, and mark details. Everything is like a big data concept. Okay, we got to analyze it through software. Big data is insurance industry, collect information from customers and getting customer insight, fraud detection, threat mapping. So we can collect information from client and customer. We can study about what are the details are correct or not. Okay, some people will tell which means a fraud detection. We can easily understand how many people given their wrong data. Okay, big data is important. So we can go for 4 V's. 4 V is very important in big data: volume, variety, velocity, and veracity. This parameter has moved from gigabyte to terabytes and beyond, and it denotes the amount of data is called as volume. Okay, we can volume means it's a amount of data. That's why I'm mentioning gigabyte to terabyte. It means amount of data. Variety, the defines the type of data source and whether it is generated by a machine or people. We can identify what are the types of data. Under we could discuss the classification of digital data. It is structured data or unstructured data, geographic data. Okay, and it is created by machine or people. For example, we can create a number of document and notes and books, but at the same time, based on the machine will be create a number of clicks, number of views. Okay. That's a variety. velocity. Then velocity, the parameter reference in generational speed of data. This grows up the movement rate and speech volumes. We can identify how much volume we have received. Last every year, data gets many increased. Okay, based on the click and based on the comments and based on the images uploading in the social media. The veracity, this parameter depends on data quality and times is out of the analysis control. It is based on the data quality and times. It is called as veracity. Okay, we have 4 V's. We can check. Okay, 4 V's. We have to remind. If you have any query regarding this topic, please contact to my mail. Thank you.